Let's say there is a post office and you are expecting a mail to come. Now, somebody tells you that your mail could be there or it might not have arrived yet. My question to you is, how much efforts will you put in finding that mail in the mailbox? Ask yourself this question right now. Now, there's another scenario which somebody told you that your mail is exactly there. Now, tell me how much efforts will you put in finding the mail? Now, will there be a difference or not? Probably the first case, you won't put many efforts in finding the mail where you are not certain that if it is there or not. Now, why am I telling you all of this is because this is similar with money. A lot many of us were told that you may or may not earn money in this life. Some of us were told that you will earn a lot of money. Some of us were told that it's really hard to earn money, and some of us were told that you cannot earn money at all. Now, earning money is very similar to looking for that mail. If we really are very sure that we are destined to make money in this life, then we are going to put a lot of efforts in making money. But otherwise, if we believe that we are not destined for money, or that money is too hard to earn, or that money corrupts people, or that rich people are bad people, all of these beliefs will stop us from making money, right? Isn't it? Now, we understand that it is all about our beliefs. Whatever we believe about money, whatever beliefs that we have accumulated from either our parents, peers, or friends, that has created our money mindset. And if we really want to make more money, we need to change these limiting beliefs. Now, you might be thinking, why do we need to change our beliefs when these were told to us when we were children and not right now? So, the answer is that our subconscious is built in the age of 0 to 7, and so our subconscious has still got those beliefs that we were told as a child. So, what we will do today is go back in the past and heal or transmute these limiting beliefs. Hi my lovelies, this video is part 4 in the Mindset Makeover for Business Success series. If you've not watched the first 3 videos in the series, I'd suggest that you go watch them first and then come back to this one. Some people say that past healing is not required. You need to stay present. But let me tell you that for the subconscious mind, there is nothing like past, present, or future. If you really want to change the future, you will have to heal the past. And that is how you will be able to heal or change your future scenarios. So what we're going to do today is go back into the past with the guided meditation that I'm going to guide you with right now. And I will tell you how to heal those past memories around the money. Right now, take a minute to measure how you are feeling. How stuck or free are you feeling in terms of money? Rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most stuck. And we are going to measure again after doing this particular meditation today. So pause the video right now to find yourself a calm space to either sit in or lie down. Now let's begin the meditation.
Gently close your eyes and relax. Become conscious of your breath now. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax your body with every breath. Take another deep breath with me and out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and out. Keep your focus on your breath and imagine a white light entering your body from your crown. This white light is now filling your entire head and relaxing your forehead, the back of your head, coming down, relaxing your eyes. Further down, it relaxes your face muscles, your ears, your entire face, the chin, moving down towards your neck, relaxing your neck and your shoulders. Relaxing your shoulders deeply, entering your arms and relaxing your arms, forearm, fingers. This white light is now entering your chest and relaxing your chest, your back. Now getting further down, relaxing your stomach, your back, pelvis area, your buttocks, your thighs, moving further down your legs, relaxing your legs fully, your toes. You're deeply relaxed now. Stay conscious of your breath and get deeper into relaxation while listening to the soothing sounds of the music. You are safe and now opening yourself up to healing and subconscious reprogramming. Give yourself permission to heal your inner child now. Imagine a staircase with 10 stairs going downwards, and with each count that I take from 1 to 10, you will step down this stair and become more relaxed. 10. Take the first step down. 9. 8. Stepping down. 7. Deeply relaxed. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. There is a door right in front of you. Open the door and now enter into a garden. This is a very beautiful garden, one that you've never seen before. It has everything that you always wanted. A space that deeply relaxes you. Take a walk in the garden now. There are birds chirping, flowers. There's a little pond. The sounds of the water deeply relax you. You are at peace here. This is your space. Find yourself a space to sit in. Take a walk and sit down. Imagine a bright white crystal on your hand. It's a magical crystal. As you rub it, it gives to you everything that you need. You can manifest anything just by rubbing this crystal. This is your magical crystal that provides for every single need of yours. And it takes from the universal pool, which is abundant. There is abundance of love, compassion, material things, and everything in this universal pool. and you can take from this universal pool just by rubbing this crystal. Stay relaxed in this garden and imagine a cloud from the sky coming towards you. This cloud will come towards you and will settle down on the ground for you to climb it on a count of 3. 1. It's coming towards you. 2 and 3. It's right in front of you. Step on the cloud and allow yourself to go into a space where you might have learned limiting behaviors in terms of money in the past. Your subconscious mind will take you to only those memories which are really relevant for you and for your money mindset to grow. Step on the cloud now, and on a count of 10, you would have reached a memory that is really significant to you and which needs healing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You are there. Look at what is happening. Who all are around you? What is your age? What is happening? Look all around you and find out, what did you learn about money in this memory? Are you being told that there isn't enough, that you cannot have all what you want, or anything that limits you or your abundance? Is there anybody who is suffering, or are you suffering? Just look and feel how it felt. Notice your feeling. And now it's time to heal this memory. If there is any person involved, forgive them. Send your forgiveness to the person and to yourself. Allow yourself to release these limiting beliefs that you learned. The same white light is shining brightly in your body and melting away all of these limiting beliefs now. You can now rub your crystal and manifest anything that you want as this child. Is it love? Is it understanding? Or a material thing that you needed at that time? You can take it from the universal pool and manifest it in your physical reality. As you do that, feel how your feelings change from lack to abundance. Feel how expansive do you feel now. Watch this child becoming happy, expansive, joyful, peaceful, calm, grateful, and release all the limiting beliefs that this child might be holding. The white light shines ever more brightly and melts all the limiting beliefs that this child might have learned. And now, allow this child, this new person who is abundant now, to grow and become you. On a count of 3, this child will grow into you now with this new feeling of abundance. 1, 2, and 3. Feel the new feeling in your body. Find out where in your body do you feel it and expand it in your entire body. Give yourself permission to stay as this new abundant self. Tell yourself, I am allowed to be abundant. Repeat after me, I am abundant. I can have all that I desire. What I desire is destined for me, and I am having it all now. And now, come back to the garden on a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Take your time to relax here, and whenever you're ready, you can come back to your physical reality and open your eyes. You can pause the video and continue to relax in this garden now. You can do this meditation every single day and allow yourself to release any and all the limiting beliefs that you might have learned as a child. And this is how you will heal your inner child and allow abundance to come in your life. Thank you for participating in this guided meditation. You can now begin your day as this abundant self of yours. I will see you in the next video. Till then, love and freedom from my side.